Welcome back, everyone. This is day 36 of our 60-day senior fitness series, and today we're focusing on 3 easy leg exercises that keep you active, balanced, and strong. If you're new here, start from day 1 and join our growing senior fitness family. Now grab your chair, take a deep breath, and let's begin together. Exercise 1. Sit to stand, chair squats. All right, my friends, it is time for our first exercise of the day, the sit to stand, also known as chair squats. This simple but powerful movement helps you strengthen your thighs, hips, and lower back while improving balance and mobility. Please take a sturdy chair and place it on a flat surface. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart and flat on the ground. Cross your arms in front of your chest or place them gently on your thighs for balance. Keep your back straight and your core slightly tight. Now, slowly push your heels into the floor, stand up tall, and then lower yourself back down to the chair with control. Make sure you are not dropping down quickly. Move slowly and steadily. Remember to breathe in as you sit and breathe out as you stand. Now let us begin our 50 repetitions together. Take your time and move at your own pace. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 'Nice and easy, keep your posture strong. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work. Do not stop now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Breathe and stay steady. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 'Amazing effort. You are doing so well. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there, keep your back straight. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, Wonderful. Feel the strength in your legs. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Do not give up. Stay focused. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, Almost there, you are strong. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Excellent job. Final few. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic work! You have just completed all 50 sit-to-stand repetitions. How are you feeling right now? You should feel your legs warmed up and stronger already. Keep smiling and get ready for our next exercise. Exercise 2, seated leg raises. Now, my friends, it is time for our second exercise of the day. Seated leg raises. This is a gentle but very effective movement that strengthens your thighs, knees, and lower abdomen. It also improves circulation and helps you maintain control and stability while walking or standing. Please sit comfortably on your chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your hands on the sides of the chair for balance. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed and your chest is open. Now, slowly lift your right leg up until it is straight in front of you. Hold it for a moment, then bring it back down gently. Next, lift your left leg in the same way. Keep alternating between both legs as we count together. Remember to breathe out as you lift your leg and breathe in as you lower it. Let us begin and count all the way to 50 together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your back straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are doing wonderful. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep breathing. Stay steady. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great work. Feel your muscles getting stronger. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. Stay focused. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Amazing effort. Keep going. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Do not stop now. You have got this. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Wonderful. Breathe deeply. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Just a few more. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work! You have completed 50 seated leg raises, alternating legs with perfect control. You should feel the front of your legs gently burning. That means your muscles are working and becoming stronger. Keep smiling, keep moving, and stay proud of yourself. You are doing an amazing job. Exercise 3, heel raises, calf strengthener. All right, friends, it is time for our final exercise of the day. Heel raises, also called calf strengtheners. This exercise is excellent for improving balance, strengthening your calves, and supporting your ankles and knees. Please stand behind your chair and hold the back of it gently for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your posture upright. Relax your shoulders and engage your core slightly. Now, slowly lift your heels off the ground so that you are standing on your toes. Hold for a moment and then lower your heels back down slowly and safely. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. Remember to breathe naturally. Breathe in as you lower your heels and breathe out as you lift. Let us start counting our 50 repetitions together. Remember, take your time and focus on balance and control. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice and steady, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Feel the strength in your calves. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep breathing, stay balanced. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Halfway there, wonderful effort. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep going. You are doing amazing. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Feel your calves working. Great job. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Stay tall and strong. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Keep smiling, almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Excellent persistence. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic! You have completed all 50 heel raises. How are you feeling right now? Stronger? Your calves should feel active, and your balance should feel improved. Give yourself a big smile. You have done an amazing job today. Remember, practicing these exercises daily helps your legs stay strong, steady, and ready for every day. Fantastic job! You completed all 3 leg exercises for day 36. How are you feeling right now? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay strong with you. I'll see you tomorrow for day 37. Keep moving, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.